Hey, what's up? I'm Doc Aaron, Dr. Auto Spa. Thanks for tying into my quick video here. Just thought I would do a quick shootout of what my studio looks like here, a little bit of small waiting area if you care to wait. Most folks do drop off their cars, but we try to accommodate the best we can. So excited about sharing with you this nice car behind us here. It's a 1986 model, Porsche 944. Yep, needs a little bit of paint correction done on it, so it's all taped off as you can see here. We've also done some chip repair. One last project I'll share with you real quick. It's a Dodge Challenger. Oh man, with a Hemi in it. Beautiful car. Wow, I love the way it sounds. Oh, I just knocked myself out with this head. You gotta laugh at yourself every once in a while. So look, right behind me here, we're looking at the gloss, we're looking to shine. I'll tell you quickly what we did. Put a long-term glass coating on it. Put a long-term coating on the paint. You can see the shine. And take a look at these rims. Man, this is awesome. The rims we think turned out absolutely awesome. Got a little bit of pollen on right now, but you can see that it wipes off really easy with my hand. It'll blow away too moving forward. So, hey, we're Dr. Auto Spa. Let us know if we can do anything for you. I hope you enjoy the awesome day. See you soon.